This fitting video is for the driver and double passenger seats found in Stellantis-based vans, including the Vauxhall Vivaro, Peugeot Expert, Citroën Dispatch and similar vehicles. These seat covers are waterproof, airbag compatible and designed to protect your seats while maintaining full practicality and comfort. They include an adjustable armrest cover. They still allow access to the underseat storage. The headrests remain fully adjustable, and all seat belts remain fully accessible. Step 1. Start by removing the driver's seat headrest. You may need to tilt the seat forward or lower the seat slightly to remove it. Step 2. Undo the Velcro at the side of the backrest cover. Pull the cover over the seat like putting on a t-shirt. Pull the cover down evenly at the sides, front and rear, so it sits square and neat. Step 3. At the top of the seat, tuck the plastic headrest housings through the openings in the seat. Step 4. At the bottom of the backrest is a foam tuck-in pouch. Push this firmly into the gap between the seat base and backrest. Step 5. Undo the Velcro strap underneath the base cover. Pull the front corners of the base cover over the front corners of the seat. Step 6. Tuck the side foam section into the gap between the seat base cushion and the plastic trim. This section can be tight. Step 7. At the front of the seat, locate the Velcro strap and feed it underneath the seat towards the rear. Step 8. Find the Velcro strap on the inner side of the seat and pull it down and backwards. Step 9. At the rear of the seat, connect both Velcro straps together as tightly as possible. Step 10. Pull the cover down beneath the armrest area and attach the Velcro around the seat adjustment controls. Step 11. Fit the armrest cover like putting on a sock. Adjust the seat position if you need more space. Step 12. Reattach the headrest and fit the headrest cover like putting on a hat. Step 1. Start by removing both headrests from the double passenger seat. The larger headrest can be difficult to remove due to the roof height. Partially remove it first, then angle it forwards to fully remove it. Step 2. Undo the Velcro at the side of the backrest cover. Pull the cover over the seat like putting on a t-shirt. In panel vans, pull the rear fabric section down between the seat and bulkhead. Step 3. Tuck the plastic headrest housings through the openings in the seat cover. Step 4. Lift the seat base upwards. Thread the cover behind the seatbelt and attach the Velcro sections together. Tuck the cover neatly into the seatbelt housing trim. Step 5. Tuck both foam sections into the gap beneath the seat. Push them in gradually from the edges. Some metal parts underneath can be sharp, so gloves are recommended. Step 6. Start by fitting the front corners of the base cover. Lift the seat slightly and pull the cover over the rear corners and side edges until fully seated. Step 7. Feed the base strap through the opening in the cover. Step 8. Attach the elastic hook straps onto the metal bars beneath the seat so they remain under tension. Step 9. Refit both headrests. The larger headrest may need to be angled forwards during installation. Then, fit the headrest covers like putting on a hat.